Unlocking silence, the magic of soundproofing foam. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a topic that's not just relevant to musicians, podcasters, and home theater enthusiasts, but to anyone seeking a quieter environment: soundproofing foam. Join us as we uncover what it is, how it works, and why it might be the silent hero you didn't know you needed. Soundproofing foam is a specially designed material that absorbs sound, reducing the amount of noise that escapes or enters a room. It's made from polyurethane or melamine foam and comes in various shapes and sizes, such as panels, tiles, or sheets. The key feature of this foam is its open cell structure, allowing it to trap sound waves and minimize echo and reverberation. This makes it an essential component in creating serene spaces, be it for recording studios, home cinemas, or simply a peaceful living environment. To understand how soundproofing foam works, we need to delve into the basics of sound. Sound travels in waves, and when these waves encounter a surface, three things can happen: absorption, reflection, or diffusion. Soundproofing foam excels at absorption. Its porous nature allows sound waves to enter the foam, where they are then converted into a small amount of heat energy, effectively reducing the sound that bounces back into the room. This process helps in diminishing the overall noise level and improving the acoustic quality of a space. The advantages of using soundproofing foam extend beyond just creating a quieter environment. It can also enhance audio quality by reducing unwanted echoes and background noise, making it ideal for recording or listening to music. Increase privacy by muffling sounds that would otherwise travel through walls and doors, perfect for office spaces or apartments. Improve focus and concentration by minimizing external noise distractions, beneficial in educational settings or home offices. Installing soundproofing foam is a straightforward process, but there are a few tips to ensure you get the most out of it. Coverage. Covering the entire surface area is not always necessary. Focus on key areas where sound reflection is highest, such as walls opposite speakers or noisy areas. Placement. For recording spaces, position foam panels at reflection points and on surfaces parallel to sound sources to optimize sound absorption. Safety. Ensure the foam is fire retardant to avoid any fire hazards. Soundproofing foam might seem like a simple material, but its impact on creating quieter, more enjoyable spaces is profound. Whether you're looking to improve your audio recordings, create a peaceful study space, or just reduce the noise in your living environment, soundproofing foam offers a versatile and effective solution. We hope this video has shed some light on the quiet magic of soundproofing foam and how it can enhance your space. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.